Hi, my name is Arjun, and I'm with the onboarding team here in Social27. As an event planner, managing attendance can be a challenging task. Event planners need to stay ahead of the game. That's where badge scanning technology comes in. With QR code scanning, you can streamline the process and ensure a seamless experience for your attendees. And the best part is, these badges can be printed on site right after attendees checks into the event, eliminating the need for pre-printed badges and reducing your workload. Attendees can also choose to have a virtual badge if you decide to host a paperless event, providing a more sustainable and eco-friendly solution. But the benefits don't stop there. With Social27's robust reporting capabilities, you can easily track attendee engagement and understand which sessions or activities are resonating with your audience. Armed with this data, you can make informed decisions about your event and create an even more engaging experience for your attendees. And when it comes to ROI, Scan Badge feature can help you maximize your investment by providing real-time attendance data and insights to help you make informed decisions. So if you want to simplify attendance management and ensure a great experience for your attendees, try Social27 Scan Badge feature.